Hey, let me turn this down. What you're listening to is reruns of The Preacher Man. It's on about 6 megahertz. This is the latest Prunus J-711 radio. It's AM, FM shortwave. It's on sale on Amazon now for $13.99. The shortwave band goes from 5.5 megahertz to 18 megahertz in 7 bands. See, they're all broken down here so you can fine tune it. FM 870 to 108 USA type band, and the AM band is also for the USA 520 to 1730. It has 2 power sources: internal rechargeable battery, 1200 milliamp hours, or you can use 2 AA batteries, which go in the back, and there's a switch in the battery compartment to switch which one you want to use. So it makes it, in my mind, an emergency radio, because you have 2 sources of power, although it doesn't have the weather channel. The antenna is about 16.5 inches, and it does swivel. It has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack right there. It has volume and tuning. Nothing over there, nothing down there. It has a kickstand. Little kickstand. Pretty nice. And down there is the battery compartment. There is where you can charge the internal battery. Pretty nice. Good size. About 4.7 inches by 2.9 inches by 1.3 inches. Easy to read display. See there, you can see the shortwave bands are broken down, and then here's where you select AM, FM, shortwave 1 through 7. And we were listening to, on this short little antenna, the Preacher Man recordings. He's died. I think it's out of Nashville, Tennessee. That's pretty good. It is a little tricky tuning. Let me give you an illustration here. Turn the volume back up. Guess what? DSP tuning. Muting while tuning. I'm on band 1, which goes from 5.5 to 6.5. We're at about 5.9 megahertz. It's not bad because I'm in my office, which has a lot of interference. Let's see if we can get WWV. That would be on shortwave band 3. And it'll be down here on the end here. So you're up close here. Right about there. Oh, there's some noise. No, didn't get it. Of course, shortwave band conditions have still been pretty bad. Even on a good receiver with outside antenna, conditions are not that good. Let's try, I don't want to try FM. Too much music. Oh, down here is a little LED showing you that the power's on, and then another one here showing you that it's being charged when it's being charged. Okay, let's go to AM though. That's AM. Oh, music.
Official stuff. Whereas, like, just
Here we go.
prior to John 10:10, it talks about the thief that breaks in to get into the fold.
Pretty clear.
Whereas Jesus says, I am the gate. And this idea of, like, yep, if you know that you can pass through that gate, then you know you have nothing to hide. You're the shepherd.
Robo-taxi from Tesla.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's picking up a lot of stations. I'm skipping them because I'm going kind of fast.
Our protein bars to empower doers with
the collagen, I should say. Just if you don't know what's really going on, but it was kind of corny from that standpoint of like.
What I was surprised is one video I did, several months ago. I stopped on FM station that was playing music in Spanish. Yep, that's a no-no too, so I got a hit. So I'm trying to totally stay away from music, except if I can use the music from the YouTube free library. Now, what Tadabart does is he uses a FM transmitter that plays that type of music, and then he can pick it up on the radio. That's not really a good test, I don't think, because it's kind of artificial. But, hey, it's a test. Whatever. I think that's about it. Again, this is from Prunus. They sent me this radio. The J-711. It's on sale on Amazon for $13.99. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. And I wish you would have a great day. Please, bye-bye.